Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on ZebPay. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch ZebPay on your mobile device. And then here on the home page, as you can see right here, we're on a quick trade. You'll see all the different cryptocurrencies. Just go ahead and select any cryptocurrency that you want to go ahead and buy. For example, this one, ETH, okay? And then you just need to come in the bottom left and click on buy. So here you can either go ahead and click again on buy, or you can move to sell, right? And then all you need to do is just go ahead and enter the amount. Let's say 10,000 rupees. Okay, we'll enter 10,000. And here we go. We have 10,000 Indian rupees, and all you need to do to proceed is click here and get started. And then you'll choose your payment method and make the purchase. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.